Hi, 5FM. Welcome to the Kick Off 5 show with me, Sultan, your buddy for the next 1 hour from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. We're diving into all the hot football action from this weekend, from the Premier League, La Liga, Serie A, Bundesliga, and to our very own Indonesian League. Everything hitting up on the pitch. So, are you ready? Buckle up, cause this weekend gonna be full of fire. But before we jump into the match, let's kick things off with some energy. Here's Imagine Dragon with Believers.
Days pass by and my eyes they dry and I think that I'm okay.
Welcome back, football lover. Still with me, Sultan, on Kickoff 5 Show, the home for true football fan. Let's start with the English Premier League. Plenty of big match coming up this week. October 25, Manchester United versus Brighton. The Red Devil will try to bounce back at Old Trafford against Brighton, the team known for their fearless attack. October 26, Manchester City versus Aston Villa. The tactical battle between Pep Guardiola and Unai Emery was sharper this weekend. Liverpool versus Brentford. The Red got to stay alert. Brentford known for pulling surprise at Anfield. And Everton against Tottenham, a classic clash between two traditional English sides, both desperate for points. Premier League this week, non-stop action baby. Stay tuned on 5FM, the home of true football fans.
Dengan energi dari Red Bull, beratnya tekanan kita pikul dengan sorakan, ringannya hati kita jinjing dengan percaya diri, hingga kita tantang semua batas kemungkinan.
Red Bull, challenge the impossible.
Now, let's fly over to Spain, amigos. La Liga, October 26. El Clasico, Real Madrid against Barcelona. The world's most legendary rivalry is back. Vinicius, Bellingham, Lewandowski, Lamine Yamal, Pedri, Valverde are ready to bring the heat at the Bernabeu. October 28, Atletico Madrid versus Real Betis. Two attacking team going head to head. Simeone or Pellegrini will win the tactical war. Now, let's move to Italia, the land of passion, tactic, and drama. Serie A, October 25 and 27. October 25, Napoli versus Inter Milan. A fiery duel between two Scudetto contenders. And AC Milan versus Pisa. The Rossoneri must stay sharp to avoid slipping up against the newly promoted side. October 27, Lazio versus Juventus. Classic showdown full of pride and rivalry. Sarri or Allegri, whose strategy will shine?
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk the guy, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame.
Alright, let's hop over to Germany, the land of die-hard fans and massive stadium. Bundesliga, October 25, Borussia Dortmund against Köln. The black and yellow need a win to stay near the top. Borussia Munchen against Bayern Munich. Can Kevin Dick and CO shock the mighty Bavarian? And of course, we close it out with our homeland pride, Indonesian Super League, October 24, 26, and 27. October 24, Persija Jakarta versus Madura United, a thrilling clash between two top teams. October 26, Arema versus Borneo. The Singoedan take on the Pesut Etam in a fierce matchup. October 27, Persib Bandung against Persis Solo. Maung Bandung versus Laskar Sambernyawa, a battle between two of the most passionate fanbase in Indonesia. Okay, and wow, you can believe it, one horse flown by already. From England to Indonesia, every pitch is ready to give us pure football entertainment. Remember, football is just about winning. It's about patience, sportsmanship, and love for the game. Catch me again next week on Kickoff 5 Show with me, Sultan, only on 5 FM. Feel the beat, feel the game. Stay sporty, stay humble, and keep chasing your goals. Bye bye.